Hi guys, my name is Ifedayo and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing and talking about the products in the First Aid Beauty Fabs to Go kit. So I purchased these products about 5 months ago and I have been using them since, and I thought I'd come on here to share my first impressions. No, not my first impressions, to share my thoughts about the products. I hope you guys like this video and keep on watching. First Aid Beauty is a skincare brand that's located out of the US. I got the product in their Fab Faves to Go kit. Unfortunately, I do not have the packaging of that kit with me here. I'll be sure to include it in the demo video which I will be showing later on in the video. The Fab Faves to Go kit it's a kit that contains travel sized items of the brand's favorite products, which include the Pure Skin Face Cleanser, the Ultra Repair Cream, and the Facial Radiance Pads. I'm with the Ultra Repair Cream and Facial Radiance Pads here with me. The brand describes the kits as a trio of travel size First Aid Beauty favorites that cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate the skin, and it contains the face cleanser in 2-ounce size, the Ultra Repair Cream in 2-ounce size, and the Facial Radiance Pads, which comes in a 28 count size. I'll be discussing the product, running you through the product, what I think about them, and I'll be showing you guys a demo of me using the product at the end of the video. The Pure Skin Facial Cleanser, for some strange reason I cannot find the bottle, but the tube it came in, but it comes in the same exact tube. It is described on the website as a fragrance-free, gentle cleanser that effectively removes makeup and dirt and grime, and that it also helps to leave the skin soft and supple. It says the whipped texture transforms into a sumptuous cream when it comes in contact with water, and it helps to cleanse your skin. The active ingredients in this cleanser are aloe, allantoin, the First Aid Beauty antioxidant booster. So the first thing I thought about this product when I first saw it was the packaging. I think the tube packaging is really nice. Does not get contaminated easily, and it's really travel friendly. The cleanser itself, as you will see in the demo later, has a very nice texture. It cleanses the skin well and leaves the skin feeling hydrated. My skin did not feel tight or stripped after using the cleanser. I think that the cleanser is great for all skin types, and I think that people who have dry skin types, sensitive skin types, and people who are undergoing a treatment such as chemical peels or are using retinol will really like this cleanser, because it helps to leave your skin feeling hydrated and moisturized after use. It also has hydrating and calming ingredients such as aloe, allantoin, and glycerin. So this also helps to soothe your skin and calm your skin during the cleanse. One thing I wanted to mention was that it said on the website and on the tube packaging that it removes makeup. It does not remove makeup. Maybe slight amounts of makeup. I do not understand what they mean by makeup, but I know it does not remove makeup. I do not advise you to use this to remove makeup. The second product I'm talking about, which is in the First Aid Beauty Faves to Go kit, is the Facial Radiance Pads. It's described on their website as a daily treatment pad that contains just the right amount of glycolic and lactic acid, and helps to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types, including sensitive skin types. The active ingredients are glycolic acid, lactic acid, the First Aid Beauty antioxidant booster, lemon peel, and Indian gooseberry. I like the packaging they come with as usual. It comes in a plastic packaging, and it has these nice pads that looks like this, with a serrated or an imperforated edge that's slightly rough to touch. Rough edge offers not only the chemical exfoliation properties that glycolic and lactic acids offer, but also offers some little bits of physical exfoliation, which I love. I think that they are great for people who are new to chemical exfoliation and are a little bit hesitant to step into the chemical exfoliation zone, as well as people who are used to chemical exfoliation and use chemical exfoliants on a daily basis. When I use it, my skin looks brighter, feels brighter, and I just really like it for daily use. The Ultra Repair Cream, which is this, as was described on their site, as a head to toe moisturizer that provides instant relief and long-term hydration for dry and distressed skin, even eczema. The beautiful whipped texture is instantly absorbed with a non-greasy afterfeel, safe for sensitive skin. Active ingredients of the Ultra Repair Cream are colloidal oatmeal, shea butter, allantoin, the antioxidant booster that is in the other two products, and squalane. I really like the texture of the Ultra Repair Cream. It feels whipped, and so that's what it looks like. It absorbs very well into the skin, sinks into the skin, and leaves the skin feeling hydrated and supple and smooth. I think it's fantastic for all skin types, especially people with dry and sensitive skin types. It helps to soothe the skin and really moisturizes the skin, gets rid of some of that dryness you might have when you're undergoing chemical peels or using retinol and vitamin A derivative products. On one hand, it also contains dimethicone and cetearyl alcohol, so I thought I'd put that out there. I really like it. I reach out for it often and I use it at least 3 times a week. It's a really nice moisturizer. What do I think about the Fab Faves to go kits in general? I think it's an amazing set of products. An amazing set of products. It's great value for money. It costs $30. The price of the individual products in themselves, if you buy them singly on the website, costs a total of $37, but buying the sets costs $30, which is about $7 savings, which is good value. I think it's very good value for money because the products come in sizable amounts. This is 2 ounces. The cleanser and the moisturizer are both 2 ounce size, and the facial radiance pads are 28 counts to last you a month if you use them every day, about a month if you use them every day. If I had to choose my favorite products from the 3 of them, it would be the facial radiance pads and the Ultra Repair Cream. I like the cleanser, but I'm not crazy about it. So that's what I think about the product. I also think that it's amazing that the price range of some of their products, or of a few of their products, are very reasonable. I love the fact that the brand has taken an extra mile to create products in different sizes. So I think they have the 1 ounce sizes, the 2 ounce size, and I think the 3 or 4 ounce size. I'm not sure about that, but I know they have 3 different sizes depending on what you can afford and whether you want to try out the brand and what you really want to buy. Another thing I really like about the brand is the kits that they have. They have so many kits. They have the Fablantis kits, the Hidden Treasures kits, Dive Into Fab kits, Purely Clean, Catch Your Glow, Hydration Stars, Fab Skin Heroes, Fab Age Defender. They have so many kits on their website. I'm looking at it on my laptop here, and they have so many kits that package different sizes of their different products, so it enables you to buy the products you want to try the most at a cheaper price without breaking the bank. And I think that is fantastic, and that is very consumer friendly of them. It's also fantastic because you can buy any of these kits because they are well packaged, and packaging is really pretty, so they're also great options for holiday gifts and gifts to your friends, family members and loved ones for Christmas, since the holiday season is approaching. So that's what I think about the kits. Have you tried any products from First Aid Beauty? I would love to know. I like the products I have tried from them so far. I like that the brand is making products that are paraben free, harsh chemical free and colorants free. I'd like to know whether you guys have tried any products from them, what you think about the products, what you think about any of the products, and what you think about the price points. I'd love to know your comments. Leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.